student in the Rubisco biology. Now we are going to the part number 12 of the biological classification. Previously we studied about the inclusion bodies and different types of inclusion bodies, what are the structures of the endospores and how to form the endospore. Okay, now today we are going to the stunning of bacteria. We can say that the previously slide we have studied that gram positive, gram negative, which types of the gram negative, what is the basis of the gram negative and gram positive bacteria. Let's see. There are two staining. First is the simple staining, the second is the gram staining. Simple staining like that the coloration of the bacteria by the applying the single solution of the stain to a fixed smear, means that simple staining that provide coloration of the bacteria. Coloration normal, that's a bacteria. When this bacteria are passes through any color, resulting all bacteria resulting all like that all bacteria having a different color like that, yellowish, but only coloration, and this stand fixed, that's a fixed. Never it when this bacteria are passing through the acetone or alcohol, that's a never retained, that's a never leptin, that's a never uh, clear this color. That's mean they are always retained. No, they also always retain this color are retained on bacteria. They never clear in presence of with the help of the acetone or alcohol. Okay. Now second is the gram staining. The scientist is the Graham. It's a very important. This technique was introduced by Hans Christian Graham in 1884. Use the classify bacteria in two groups like that gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Stain, which stain use, that the alkaline solution is the crystal violet. Gram scientist gram use crystal violet stain. Okay, that's the alkaline solution, that's a weakly stain slide, then treated with the 0.5% iodine solution. When crystal violet treated bacteria, then treated with the iodine solution. Okay. Now washing with the water, acetone, or next 95% ethyl alcohol, like that's a bacteria. Firstly bacteria treat with the crystal violet, and crystal violated bacteria treat with the iodine solution, and iodine solution treat with bacteria treat with the ethyl alcohol at the acetone, resulting if coloration is clear, coloration is clear, and if coloration is retained not clear. When coloration is clear, call as a gram negative, and coloration is retained, this is not clear, that's a gram positive. Clear? Depending on the crystal violet stain. Like the retain, let's see, retain the purple stain are called the gram positive. Means retain not clear this color is called the gram positive, and decolored and appear in the red color is called the gram positive and negative. Gram negative means color is the stain is clear, and exactly the crystal violet color is purple, means purple is color appear, and purple color is here doesn't appear. Okay, now next, equalize the gram positive bacteria. Gram negative bacteria can be seen with the other strains safranin. Gram negative bacteria also treat with, if treat with the safranin that we can see. Gram with the examples of, what is the example, the best examples of the gram positive bacteria, like that the pneumococcus, streptococcus, staphylococcus, bacillus, clostridium, mycobacterium, streptomyces. That's all are examples of the gram positive bacteria. Okay, that's a gram. Now next, gram negative bacteria: salmonella, pseudomonas, echerichia coli. Okay, Haemophilus, Helicobacter, Vibrio, Rhizobium are examples of the gram negative bacteria. Hope so. This slide is clear. Okay. Now next is what is the procedure of the staining? Huh? Which procedure of the staining, like that? Firstly, we take a bacteria and stain with the crystal violet. Listen carefully. Firstly, take bacteria and stain with the crystal violet, and all bacteria will stain bluish purple, yeah, or kind of bluish purple color. Okay. Then after 0.5 iodine solution through passed, then after this bacteria pass through the 0.5% iodine solution, that's a molded. After passing this solution, stain will be fixed, and fixed stain bacteria are passing through the alcohol or acetone, resulting, there are two things found here. Like first, the stain does not come out. Stain does not come out mean stain retain here. Stain is presence mean remain this bacteria having a bluish purple color, call it the gram positive bacteria. Okay. Now second things, when stain bacteria are passed through the acetone or alcohol, resulting all stains are comes out. Means here bacteria having a red color, not to the purple or bluish color. Means crystal violet stains are removed out. So this bacteria is a gram negative bacteria. Okay, hope so. This slide and this procedure are understood. Okay, now next, like that, comparison between gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Which is type? First, gram staining means here the staining is the retained, that's not removed, gram positive, and can be decolored in the removed. Peptidoglycan layer, that's a thick means of multi-layered, is the thin is the single layer. Simple. Teichoic acid, we already know about teichoic acid presence, and here absence. But which types of here ingredient present? We already know about LPS, lipopolysaccharide. Okay. Outer membrane, बिल्कुल absence, that's a presence. Lipopolysaccharide कहेंगे यहाँ पे normally absence, यहाँ पे कहेंगे presence. Flagellar structure, that's a two rings in the vessel body, like that, two ring. It's a pouring in the basal body, pouring in the basal body, here, and here. Toxin produced means exotoxin, and here is the endotoxin. There is the exotoxin, there is the endotoxin. Cell wall, that's a high lysosomic conditions at the low susceptibility to antibiotic detergent, high and low resistance of the drying is the high and low. Both major examples like that, all are examples of the gram positive, and all that are all examples of the gram negative. Okay, that's we have studies about the staining processor and what is the gram positive and gram negative bacteria, what are major difference between of the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. होप सो आपको ये क्लियर समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें, ठीक है ना. नहीं समझ में आए तो ओके, बाय, टेक केयर.